Hey folks, the fog is back along the coast. It's been there much of the evening and visibility down to a quarter mile or less at the island and into Port Isabel and really spreading into the eastern part of the valley as we speak. We showed you the visibilities all the way into Harlingen now down to about a quarter mile. The dense fog advisory for the coast, the area shaded right here, that includes the island, in effect until 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. Fog will lift tomorrow, but may come back tomorrow night. Maybe there again into Sunday morning, and then Sunday night things will change a little bit when that next front comes in. These are the current temperatures: 71 McAllen, 69 Weslaco, 68 Harlingen, 69 at the coast. Your low temperatures tonight, upper 60s. That's about it. Not going to get much cooler than that with that dense fog out there at the island. And then tomorrow, we're back in the 80s again. The southeast wind kicks in tomorrow, and with that, temperatures go up, humidity goes up. It's not going to feel summer-like, but it'll certainly feel above average for this time of year. The normal is 77. Sunday is a beach day. We're going to be up around 90. And we all turn into penguins on Monday because temperatures are going to drop dramatically. A high of 90. Let's say 3 o'clock in the afternoon, Sunday about 90. 3 o'clock in the afternoon, Monday about 49. That's about as big a change as you can get from one day to the next here, about 40+ degrees. Pretty amazing. Now, as far as what's going on tonight, some clouds. They thinned out for a time this afternoon. Now the low clouds building back in. The warm front moving northward. That'll warm up other portions of South Texas to the north of us. But today, when we were in the 80s, the rest of the state was a whole lot cooler. That warm front will continue moving northward. It'll give us some sunshine tomorrow afternoon. Not a lot, but a little bit, warming the temperatures into the 80s. Sunday, we start the same way with some clouds. By afternoon, here we go again. Warm, close to 90. And then Sunday evening, it looks like now the front comes through. Could be a shower or two. And then the clouds just thicken up. And they're here Monday. Strong north wind, a little bit of misty drizzle. And that's the end of that. If you look at the next 3 days, we go from dry tomorrow to 30% chance of something late Sunday. And then Monday, just spotty drizzle, kind of messy across the area on Monday. So the front is just to the north of us, and farther north it's cooler, although they've recovered some. 62 in Corpus, 56 in San Antonio. The cold air, Dallas at 42, 30 up in Oklahoma City. Across Texas tonight, here's what's going on. A lot of clouds in the state. Here's one front. There's our warm front. It kind of hangs out for another day and then eventually lifts to the north, and we wait for the cold air. Here comes our front, plummeting southward on Sunday. It will be in South Texas Sunday afternoon, probably in the valley Sunday late into the evening. Cold air builds in. High pressure takes a couple of days to build into Texas, and as it does, it just stays cold. And finally by Wednesday, it'll move out, and when that happens, and then we'll start to warm back up. At the coast, winds out of the south-southeast, 5 to 15 knots. Dense fog advisory in effect until 6 a.m. So for tonight across the valley, a low of 69, mostly cloudy. Again, the fog at the coast and spreading inland, especially in the coastal counties, we'll say that. And morning fog tomorrow, but then some sunshine, back up to 85 degrees. 90 on Sunday and 49 on Monday. And maybe cooler than that. That may be a morning temperature. Could be mid-40s by afternoon. Tuesday, 40s most of the day. Some drizzle around. By Friday, we're back to 86 degrees. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast. Joel?